Couch to 5K features, strengths, weaknesses. Couch to 5K, often abbreviated as C25K, is a popular training program designed to gradually acclimate complete beginners to running a 5-kilometer race, roughly 3.1 miles. The core feature is a structured, progressive schedule, typically spanning 8 to 9 weeks. Each week incorporates 3 runs interspersed with rest days. Initially, the runs are predominantly comprised of walking intervals punctuated by short bursts of running. As the weeks progress, the running intervals increase in duration while the walking intervals decrease, culminating in the ability to run for 30 consecutive minutes, which is the program's benchmark for a 5K. The program is inherently designed for individuals with little to no prior running experience, those returning from injury, or anyone simply seeking a low-impact entry point into the world of running. A key strength is its accessibility and simplicity. It requires no specialized equipment beyond comfortable running shoes and workout attire, and several free or low-cost apps are available to guide users through the timed intervals. The gradual progression minimizes the risk of injury often associated with starting a running program too aggressively. Furthermore, the sense of accomplishment gained each week significantly boosts motivation and adherence. However, C25K also has weaknesses. The generic schedule doesn't account for individual fitness levels or pre-existing health conditions. Those with orthopedic issues, cardiovascular concerns, or significantly higher body mass indexes may need to modify the program or consult a physician before starting. The focus on time rather than distance can be problematic. Running for 30 minutes doesn't guarantee the ability to cover 5K, particularly for slower runners. The program lacks personalized feedback on running form, which can lead to inefficient mechanics and potential injury. Finally, while beneficial for beginners, it offers limited long-term progression beyond the initial 5K goal. For sustainable running development, runners will need to supplement C25K with more advanced training plans after completion. In conclusion, Couch to 5K is a highly effective and accessible program for introducing complete novices to running. Its structured approach and gradual progression foster adherence and minimize injury risk. However, users should be mindful of its limitations, particularly regarding individual fitness levels and the need for subsequent training plans to achieve sustained improvement beyond the initial 5K goal. Consider it a starting point, not the destination.